So, so once you have if you know the material that you're using, you can choose a provided. You can choose your strength, so that you know the strength of the material. The question now is, how do we relate the strength to complex engineering conditions? All right. So, in order to determine whether or not a material will fail if it's undergoing complex loading, um, a number of different theories were created. Um, so, so this is a summary of the some of the more common types of theories that have been used for ductile materials. So we have theories. Theory one is the maximum principal stress theory, which just states your largest principal stress. If it exceeds the yield strength of your material, the material will fail. The max shear stress criteria says that if the maximum shear stress in a material is greater than half of the yield strength, um, then and the material would fail. The maximum principal strain theory states that if your largest principal strain is greater than or equal to the yield strength divided by the modulus of elasticity, you would fail. Um, then the next two theories are energy-based theories. You have the maximum strain energy theory, which basically states when the strain energy over unit volume reaches a maximum, then you have material would fail. And then we'll talk about number 5 in a lot of detail, which is the maximum distortion energy theory. This is often referred to as the von Mises stress. So if the energy within if the distortion energy within stress element reaches above this amount, then you would have material failure. And then the last one is the max octahedral stress theory, which ends up getting is that it basically is an equivalent theory to the von Mises theory. It's just a different way of approaching it. So in this case, we have four theories these are all stress or strain-based theories, and then we have 2 theories that are based off of energy. All right. So in this class, we're not gonna really go into that much detail about every single theory. However, we're gonna focus in on theories 3, 4, and 6, which is going to be the Tresca yield criteria, which is number 2. All right, the von Mises criteria, which is number 5, and then the Coulomb-Moore theory, which is a combination of theory number 1 and theory number 3. Oh, sorry, theory number 2.